Apart from the GT8 Pro, Realme is also gearing up to launch the standard Realme GT8 in China on October 21st. Ahead of the launch, the pre-order page has gone live on Realme's official website, confirming several key specifications. The Realme GT8 will feature a flat OLED display with 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. According to leaks, the display size could be 6.6 inches. Powering the device is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 16GB of RAM and Android 16, customized with Realme UI 7 on top. Performance-wise, the GT8 has already shown its muscle on benchmark platforms, scoring an impressive 3.32 million points on AnTuTu and 2,825 single-core and 8840 multi-core on Geekbench. For gaming, Realme has added a dedicated R1 graphics chip, promising smoother visuals and better frame stability. On the camera front, the GT8 packs a 50-megapixel periscope camera, though details about the other sensors remain under wraps. Keeping everything running is a massive 7,000 mAh battery with support for 120-watt fast charging, as confirmed by its 3C certification. However, wireless charging might not be included. While the GT8 Pro is expected to roll out globally in November, there's no confirmation yet on whether the GT8 will launch outside China. So, are you excited for the Realme GT8? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.